thank you. I have joined as District SP late today. Um, I am IPS 2016 batch. This is my second district, and I would be looking forward to work here and serve the people of the Leh. The priorities that would be focusing as Leh police would be first of all against the crime against women, and I've been told that there are increasing cases of drug abuse as well. So other than our normal policing, we would be especially focusing on crime against women, drugs, cyber and financial frauds as well. So the team of District Police Leh would be working very closely with the people, and we would be expecting the full cooperation of the people of Leh in making the Leh police people friendly and to be very responsive to the needs of the society.
Regarding crime against women, you're talking about that will be the priority to work upon. But in Ladakh, the society, because of the niche society, many of the cases go unreported. So in that case, how you will be working on it?
Well, this is the biggest challenge which we have to first go through, and we have to overcome it. No doubt the change has to come from the society, but from the police point of view, we would be making the reach to the police very accessible, especially to the victim, to the lady who wants to reach to the police or to complain. We would be taking out the helpline numbers and publicizing all our contacts, so that whoever is a victim in need to contact the police can do so anonymously also, and keeping her privacy intact. So these steps would be taken care of, so that the first step of reaching out to police would be made easy, and second, whatever the remedy and whatever the action of law that is needed to be taken in the case will be decided on case to case basis.
Ma'am, talking about the society, the police and the public bond is very necessary to be developed. So in that case, how you are bridging the gap, and then how you will make the police and the public bond stronger?
Well, we have some few ideas which I will discuss with my team as well. We would be having a very extensive outreach program, especially with the youth and with the younger generation, to understand what needs they have, what challenges they can face, what challenges they are facing, and how the policing can help them to overcome these challenges. So our aim would be to conduct more PCPG meetings, more sports oriented meets, and career counseling, and all other activities which would include the youth more and engage with the police, so that they just don't see us our the tough side of the policing, but also the more progressive and friendly outreach side of the police.
ये इंस्पेक्टर सुल्तान, ये इंचार्ज कवर करा ये तो ये हवलदार साहब वो ये फॉर द टाइम बीइंग ये एएसपी का इंचार्ज है, सब चौकी